Well, hello everyone on YouTube and full30.com. You're going to see that on YouTube, this is going to have the YouTube intro, and on Full30, it's going to have a Full30 intro. Or I might just not even do an intro. I haven't decided yet, but just in case, what are we going to talk about? This electric hand warmer. So if you're watching on headphones, turn down the volume because here comes some music. So the company, this is Frog & Company, Survival Frog is the name of the actual company. They approached me through the Full30 administration, the administrators, about wanting to see if anybody wanted to do reviews of this. I have seen these before in different iterations and I really like them. So I thought it would be kind of cool if we did a video about it. So what this is this is a rechargeable hand warmer. So if you guys have ever done a lot of outdoor stuff, you know, especially like I'm from the Midwest, a lot of hunting, squirrel hunting, rabbit hunting, it's inclement weather a lot of times, especially like deer season, squirrel season. It's pretty cold. So you're out and you're hunting and you just want something in your pocket. Well, the problem is a lot of times what you have available are either the disposables that they cost a lot per pack, or you have to use they're like a great big Zippo lighter and you fill it with lighter fluid and you do it that way. Well, then that puts off a smell that the animals can pick up on. So there's like no real good way. Either you're buying disposables or things like that. But these are little electric ones that when you charge them up will put out heat for about 4 hours. What I got out of this was on high, I got about 2 3/4 hours, a little over 2.5 hours on high. I let this sit on low and it definitely did stay warm for about 4 hours. So medium, it was about the same, about 3, just shy of 4 hours. So it's got 3 different temperature settings, but it's a nice little compact package you can put in your pocket. So let's turn this around and we'll take a quick look at these. I only have the one. So like I said, what this is just this little pocket-sized hand warmer. And so when you click it once, it'll show you what your charge is. This is fully charged. Now, you can also then plug this into your phone if you needed to, and then you have basically a battery bank, and it's got a pretty decent battery in it. But if you hold the power button down, it'll turn red, which tells you it's heating. And then, like I said, there's 3 different heat settings. There's high, medium, low, and then it cycles back through. Now this gets warm. I can already feel it starting to get warm. This gets warm really quick because it's a metal housing. The battery's in the middle, the heating elements are, and it gets warm on both sides. It's already warm to the touch. Like you can definitely feel it, and it gets warm. So, like I said, this is a small little thing. Let's do some size comparison. You guys on the YouTube channel are used to this. Size comparison to my React Horizon D. This is not a big piece of equipment. Slides in a pocket really nice. It has a little lanyard. You put it around your wrist so you don't drop it. But what I was saying is, this thing will stay, God, it's really warm. This thing will stay warm for several hours on the medium and low settings, and even a couple hours on high, but you don't have to throw this away and then buy a new one. So I've been looking at the prices of them in bulk. Like if you buy a large number of them, they're still right about $1 each for the disposable hand warmers. This is, I believe, $30 on their website right now. I'll put a link below. I have an affiliate link below. But this thing, it's warm. It's actually too warm on high. I want to turn it off. So you turn it off and then it just shows you what your battery charge is left. So like, yeah, you can charge this thing for a couple hours and then you've got a good bit of warmth available. It's called quick heat, 5,000 milliamp per hour battery. So you can actually charge your phone. I actually charged my phone up with this. My daughter has one real similar to this that she took to the Netherlands when she was skating that time. And she used it the whole time, and that was her phone charger because she couldn't plug her phone in at the ice rink because she was in Europe. And so she would basically charge this off her power converter at night and then charge her phone off of this throughout the day while she was stuck at the ice rink watching the other competitors. So yeah, I've had it in my pocket. I'll show you one of the cool things that I've done with it it's kind of smart. I put it inside my sweatshirt. I'll show you how I did it. But yeah, it's pretty non-reflective. So if you're an outdoorsman, if you're camping and stuff like that, or hunting, it's not, it's fairly non-reflective. You may want to keep it inside like just a sleeve or something. But easy to recharge, comes with the charging cord. And the nice thing about this one, my daughter's doesn't have. Hers is like I said, real similar. I don't think it's got the battery on hers is about half of what this is. But hers doesn't have a battery or a button cover. This one, so you don't accidentally bump the button in your pocket. You have to, push the foam down to actively do it. So let's go ahead and flip this around and do some final thoughts. To film this again for the third time, why would my technology work with me on this? Like I was saying, this is a really nice reusable outdoor piece of equipment. For years, I had one of the Zippo lighter fluid filled ones, and I never trusted them. They worked, but I never trusted them because there's always a chance you're gonna catch yourself on fire. You always wound up with that big raspberry on your leg where there was too much fluid in it, and you get some fluid leakage onto your leg, just like a regular Zippo. And the fact was, the smell ran off animals. Your other option was the disposable hand warmers, which really don't last that long, and they take a while to warm up, and they don't really provide you with constant heat. They get, you got to keep shaking them, and then they'll warm up a little bit. But this is more along those lines. And the other thing you had available were those ones that were they called it hot ice, where you had the little button, and you'd snap the button and it would crystallize and it would get warm. Well, those only last for a matter of just a little bit. That chemical reaction only lasts for a little bit. Like I said, this, you can throw it in, you can charge it. It doesn't smell like fuel, and you're not paying what you would pay for disposables. So like I said, I've had it for a few days. I wanted to make sure I tested. I'm not going to bring you guys, even though I have an affiliate link for these guys, I definitely wanted to have the product in hand and test it and everything like that. When I got it, I realized how similar it was to the one my daughter uses. I was like, oh, this is going to be a good thing. This is a good product. So I do have a coupon code down below that may still work. I believe that these were supposed to go out earlier to the reviewers, but we didn't get them. I said, I'm not going to just push. I'll put the affiliate link, but I'm not going to push trying to, tout the merits of something that I don't have in hand. So I wanted to test it. I like it. Works pretty well. I wouldn't bring you guys a product that didn't. So some gear for the YouTube and full30.com channel. So I'm probably going to put this up on both platforms at the same time. I may, like I said, change the intros, put one up on one platform and one on the other. I may not. I have not decided yet. But you guys, take it easy. I hope you had a good long weekend. I will get some more stuff put up. I have a video that I'm planning on shooting a little bit later today for YouTube. So hopefully you guys can stick around and watch that. It'll be the Thursday content. So I love you guys. Take it easy. I'll see you in the next video.